Try this one.
Challenging, yeah. Some little corners. Okay, but
So, okay, gentlemen, I hope you're ready to go. We have now the right tire pressure. So we will start in the M1 mode, and later on we will switch into the M2 mode, but I'll give you more information while we are on the track out there. So let's go and follow me, please. So try to use the M1 mode for a start, or the left red button on the steering wheel. There, the standard setup is an automatic transmission, and the standard sport mode, and the DST is also in the regular standard mode. Later on we will change into the M2 mode. There we have the setup into MDM and Sport Plus, and all the manual gear shifting, that's up to you for sure. Okay, track is here, you can follow me. So as mentioned before, we will drive through information labs for you, that you could learn a little bit the layout of the course. And we will change the position on it straight. I will show it where we make it later on. So in between the cars, 2 to 3 car lengths, that will be fine. So we have a triple combination up there. And the last left one is a very long left one, so we try to stay at bit of the street there, just stay for corner speed. After the next stripes, we have here a longer straight, and there we will do our position change later on. Now stay in the same position. Then we took the straight bit to the right. Later on our braking points for next triple combination. A little bit like hot screw, so there's blind spots and they don't touch the red curves on the inside with the second and the third one. And the next blind spot is in front of us, so stay then on the right side to the curves. This one will be at second gear. Right one later on. For the next double left, we don't use the apex on the inside. We'll stay in this one steering angle. Then we are back on the start and finish straight. After the start and finish straight, we have also a triple combination. On the left inside there's a hole, so please be careful. On the left inside there's a hole. We are changing now into the M2 mode. To confirm the M2 mode with the second press on the button. We are now in MDM mode, so be careful with the stabilization system here. So on the left one, an apex hole inside. So we are driving back to the pits now. So to the left side, please watch the right line. When we are back in the pits, please let the engine running, so do not switch off the engine. And please do not use the parking brake. So use please the parking mode at the transmission, so the P button. So we make a U-turn here, and then please think about don't switch off the engine, so let the engine running, and use only the P for the transmission and not the parking brake. Thank you guys, hope you enjoyed it.